The TOUCAN RC Hobby 1/14 Metal Hydraulic Bulldozer DXR2 is a highly detailed, realistic construction model designed for adult hobbyists who want strong performance and true mechanical movement in a compact scale. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Built with a solid metal structure and a full hydraulic system, it offers smooth blade motion, reliable power, and precise handling through the included I6S Radio Control. The blade can tilt for more accurate pushing angles, and the model features a manually opening door, a movable rain cover on the exhaust pipe, and swing-arm platform wheels that maintain strong ground contact for better grip and stability during operation. This bulldozer also includes a working rear ripper that allows you to simulate breaking tough ground or loosening compact surfaces, adding even more realism to your RC construction setup. The hydraulic pump and ESC motor work together to create stable, responsive movement, making tasks like lifting, leveling, and pushing material feel natural and controlled. The DXR2 is designed for adult collectors and RC builders who value durability, mechanical precision, and lifelike function in their models. Although it does not include a printed manual, operation videos are available for easy learning and guidance. For anyone wanting a premium hydraulic RC bulldozer that blends strength, detail, and smooth control, the TOUCAN DXR2 offers an impressive experience for both display and hands-on use. It delivers realistic motion, detailed parts, and dependable performance that make it stand out in the RC construction category. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.